Most people think AI works like Google, and that assumption destroys their results. They open ChatGPT, type a quick question, then expect a perfect answer. When the answer is weak, they blame the AI. But the problem usually isn't the AI. The problem is how people use it. Search engines and AI are not the same thing. Google retrieves information. AI generates outcomes. When you treat AI like a search engine, you force it into the wrong role. And the results feel random. Imagine asking Google to write your business strategy. It cannot do that. Now imagine asking AI with zero structure. You get the same problem. AI doesn't just answer questions. It builds outputs based on instructions. Professionals understand this difference immediately. Beginners ask questions. Experts design tasks. That single shift changes everything. Instead of writing random prompts, they define the objective first. What result do I want? What format should it have? What context does the AI need? Only after that do they write the prompt. Most users skip this step completely. They open AI and start experimenting. Prompt after prompt. Regeneration after regeneration. Each answer looks different. Each result feels unpredictable. This is why many people say AI feels inconsistent. But the inconsistency is usually coming from the user. AI amplifies your thinking. If your thinking is structured, results become reliable. If your thinking is chaotic, results become chaotic. This is why advanced AI users rarely start with questions. They start with systems. A system tells the AI three things: the role, the context, and the desired output. Once those three elements are clear, the AI becomes extremely powerful. Now the tool is not guessing. It is executing. And that is the real shift most people miss. AI is not a search engine. AI is a productivity engine. But only when you stop using it like Google. The moment you change this mindset, your results change immediately. And suddenly AI stops feeling random.